Black diamonds, especially Carbonado diamonds, are rare and mysterious gemstones. Unlike traditional transparent diamonds, Carbonado is opaque, porous, and often has a rough, charcoal-like appearance. While professional gemological testing is always recommended, there are several simple methods you can try at home to get an initial idea of whether your stone might be a real Carbonado diamond. What is a Carbonado black diamond? Carbonado diamonds are natural polycrystalline diamonds found mainly in Brazil and Central African Republic. They are composed of many small diamond crystals bonded together, making them tougher than regular diamonds. Their dark color comes from inclusions such as graphite and other minerals. 1. The visual inspection test. Start by carefully examining the stone under bright light. What to look for: opaque black or dark gray color, rough, irregular surface if uncut, small natural pits or porous texture, no glassy shine like obsidian. A real Carbonado diamond usually looks more like a black rock than a sparkling gemstone. 2. The hardness scratch test with caution. Diamonds rank 10 on the Mohs hardness scale. Carbonado is extremely hard. You can try scratching glass lightly, checking if the stone gets scratched easily. If the stone scratches easily, it is likely not a diamond. Be careful, this test can damage surfaces and is not 100% reliable. Number 3. The density water sink test. Fill a glass with water and gently drop the stone in. Real diamonds are dense and will sink quickly. Fake stones, plastic or lightweight materials may float or sink slowly. Note, some heavy black stones can also sink, so this test alone is not conclusive. So number 4, the fog test. Breathe on the stone like you would on a mirror. Real diamonds disperse heat quickly. The fog should disappear almost instantly. If the fog stays for a few seconds, it may not be a real diamond. Number 5. Check for electrical conductivity. Carbonado diamonds can conduct electricity slightly due to graphite inclusions, unlike most white diamonds. If you have access to a basic diamond tester, thermal or electrical, it can give a more accurate reading than home experiments. Number 6. Look for metallic inclusions. Under magnification, 10x loop if possible, you may see metallic-looking inclusions. The surface may appear granular rather than smooth. These characteristics are typical of Carbonado. Important warning. Home tests can give clues but cannot guarantee authenticity. Many black stones, such as black spinel or obsidian, can look similar. For a definitive answer, consult a certified gemologist or a laboratory such as Gemological Institute of America, International Gemological Institute. Final thoughts. Checking a black diamond Carbonado at home is possible using simple tests like visual inspection, density testing, and the fog test. However, only professional laboratory testing can confirm whether your stone is truly a natural Carbonado diamond. If you are dealing with a valuable stone, always seek expert verification before selling or investing.